Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at the first release from Enrique Peña's X series of production knives. It's called the Lanny's Clip Flipper, and you can find it at KnifeCenter.com. Enrique Peña has been making knives since 2006, getting his start with traditional folders. Over the years, he's broadened his scope by introducing some amazing tactical knives and even hybrids of the two styles, blending traditional styling with pocket clips, frame locks, and flipper tabs. His eye for design and precise fit, finish, blending of materials, and appearance make him one of our favorite custom knife makers. For those of you who can't afford one of his big money customs, you're now in luck. Thanks to a partnership with high-end production knife manufacturer Reate Knives, Peña has launched his first ever production model, the X Series Lanny's Clip Flipper. You still get all the elements you want from a Peña, from clockwork precision to high-quality materials, made all the more enjoyable thanks to the attainable price point. The blade on the Lanny's clip is a dramatic recurved clip point, featuring compound grinds in one of our favorite steels, CPM S35VN. The caged ceramic bearings along with its ceramic detent make the flipping addictively smooth, and a titanium frame lock with hardened insert guarantees a secure lockup. With the frame, hardware, and backspacer all being made from titanium, that premium Peña performance is on full display. To make sure the Lanny's Clip Flipper looks as good as it performs, you have your choice of carbon fiber or canvas micarta overlays. If you prefer something a little simpler, the jig titanium handle option is sure to impress. More than anything else, these Peña X Series knives represent an amazing value, giving you all the enjoyment of a custom Peña design and premium materials without the full custom price tag. To get your hands on one of these high-quality Peña Lanny's Clip Flippers, click the link in the description below. And if you want to keep up with all our knife-related content, be sure to like and subscribe. In the meantime, don't forget to visit the original and best online catalog of cutlery at KnifeCenter.com, and check back often for any deals we're running on the best knives and tools on the web.